Hey guys, it's Adam from Emblem, and right now I'm going to show you how to list an item for sale and then cancel that listing on Emblem Markets. Let's get into it. All right, so if you want to sell one of your assets, first thing you're going to do is you're going to connect your wallet on the top right-hand corner. I've already done that, so I'm going to click on my kind of profile pic and then click my vault. So here's my one asset I have here. And what I can do is if I want to sell it, I just click the list button and I can enter in a price. When I enter in that price and expiration date, you guys are all pretty familiar with this, I would think. Very familiar, very intuitive. And then just click list for sale. It's going to bring up the MetaMask. It's going to give you a gas fee, of course, and you're going to click confirm and then approve. Now be aware, guys, if this is the first time you're going to sell an item, you're going to need to do 2 confirmations. In future times, you're only going to need to do 1 confirmation, but the first time always takes 2 confirmations. There you go, it's done. I'm going to need to sign that. That was the second transaction I was just telling you about. And there you go, my item's been listed. Now, if I click on the item itself here, I'm brought to the item's main page where I can see that it's currently listed. I can see the price of my listing. And here I have the cancel listing button. Let's see. It does require gas if I want to cancel it, but let's just cancel it and see how this goes. I'm going to continue to cancel. So I get the MetaMask pop-up and I confirm it. And there we go. Listing canceled. Now if I go back to my page, to my vault, you can see now the items have been unlisted. There you go, guys. Hope that helps.